tunay ngang marapat at matuwid ang hope at nakagagaling na laging magpasalamat sa Panginoon.
I won't mind if I love you till the end of time. Darling, all the privilege would be mine. I don't take it for granted. Love divine, I felt heaven and my world collide. You took this wounded heart of mine.
At ang ating buong buhay dapat ay pasasalamat sa ating Panginoon. Lahat ng ating iniisip, lahat ng ating ginagawa, lahat ng ating pinaplano, dapat ito is just an act of thanksgiving.
I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you. You've changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you.
Ang merong mapagpasalamat na puso sapagkat lalo silang pagpapalain ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Ito yung panahon ng pagbabalik sa Kanya sa diwa ng pasasalamat ng may kasamang action.
Highs and lows, you were with me when it hurt the most. Felt the sunlight in your
Mula ngayon,
heart.
ako'y tatawagin mapalad ng saling lahi. Not because of my merit, but because God made wonders in my life.
Clock strikes upon the hour and the sun begins to fade. There's still enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away. I've done alright up till now. It's the light of day that shows me how. When the night falls, my loneliness calls. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Yeah. I've been in love and lost my sense.